Hey guys, I hope you can understand me because I'm recording with my camera and actually the sound on this is most of the time not really good, but I wanted to show you something. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a package from the mail and my Authenticator got arrived in the mail, so let's unpack this. And I don't know what's in here actually. It's something from Blizzard, some package thingy, and there's something in here. No, there's nothing in here. Damn, is that all I get? Don't I get like a nice present or something? Okay, so the Authenticator, there's probably a code in it, so I will put the camera aside. Holy crap. Almost broke it. Whee! Ta-da! Sweet! So yeah, I have my Authenticator now, and yeah, I'm gonna play WoW, I hope, really soon. So I will see you in World of Warcraft soon, and of course I'm gonna not stop making League of Legends videos. And yeah, I'm really happy that I have my Authenticator now. Later.